everybody, so I'm about to go to the gym, but I wanted to share with you this mystery date with a book from Lavender Books. This is in the Pride edition. Heather is a friend of mine from book club, and I reached out to her to let her know that I was interested in a book this month. And so this is what came in the book, and I wanted to share. So I'm actually collecting these to make myself a little bouquet. I have two at work, a regular dark purple, now I have a light purple and a pink, and then I have the Pride one from last year, the rainbow. So those are cool. We got some cool little book annotation tabs. I love the colors, so freaking bright. We got a Be Yourself pin, and the card, technically you could easily just take this out and use that as a bookmark. So that's super cute. Look at this adorable notebook. No lines, so you could doodle, you could draw. If you're like me and you write at a slant, this is perfect. And it's got the rainbow and the cute little clouds. I love this pin, and I'm gonna try not to rip the paper too much because I like reusing this kind of stuff to wrap gifts. So equality hurts no one. This is definitely going on my banner and my protest list. So the clue for this book is graphic novel, queer, young love, perfect for Heartstopper fans. I actually do have the Heartstopper book. I keep looking at it. I have not read it yet. I need to break down and do that. I do like these thicker graphic novels because they last, you know, there's a bit more to read to them. So I got that done. She wraps these so well. I honestly wish I knew how to wrap like this. Because, well, my wrapping skills are very poor. But I love wrapping paper. I love cutesy wrapped. And this paper is beautiful, so I'm going to have to reuse it in something either as like a Kindle background or gift. Just, I love those colors. I'm a Lisa Frank kid. I may be straight, but I support my friends and love who you love. That's how I feel. And I'm just gonna wear rainbows because I fucking love them. So love has no limits. Cute sticker. Protect trans lives. And we got a beautiful light bulb rainbow with some flowers. And that's it for the glue or the goodies. So it looks like Bloom is the book. And it's one of those ones where it's a black and one color type art style, which I'm really enjoying that lately. I used to enjoy mostly just like the plain black and white or the full color, but I feel like this has a little bit of a different type of feel to the design. But that is my mystery date with a book this month, and it is a beautiful book, and I do like that it actually has the flaps. Honestly, most graphic novels that I've ever had experience with didn't have that. It gives it more of a traditional book feel. And then it's got this cool thing in the back here saying like other graphic novels to check out, and then of course some information about the authors. So I can't wait to read this, and hope you enjoyed this video. Soon to be one of the last videos filmed in this vehicle. So I love my car, but I'm getting a new one. But happy Pride, everybody. And I have some other videos coming up. I went to my first Pride event, and I did a whole video of all the little things that I got at the festival, and I had some great time with my friends and making new friends, and things have been just really great this year. And sometimes even all the great things at once are a little overwhelming, and I've had a few of those moments, but other than that, everything's been perfect. And I hope everything continues to look forward for you. I know the world itself is not where we want it to be right now. There are a lot of bad things happening, but I wish in your personal life all the good. And together we fight.